Good morning and welcome to your daily operations weather briefing. Well, some blustery conditions out there, cold temperatures this morning as the overnight low temperatures fell into the 30s last night and into the low 30s this morning with those winds blowing around 15 miles per hour this morning. We're seeing some pretty cool conditions out there for your Thursday. Looking at your current surface analysis, that frontal boundary that moved through the region yesterday has moved to our south this morning. There's rain showers associated with that frontal boundary well to our south and east off the Carolina coast this morning. High pressure building in from the west, and we do see a few clouds that still will be making their way through the area this morning over the course of the next couple of hours. And then we'll see a decrease in cloudiness as we go into the afternoon with mostly sunny conditions expected. Taking a look at your satellite and radar composite this morning, you can see those mid and upper level clouds making their way from the northwest into the central portion of Delmarva. We'll see them clear the Delmarva Peninsula and move out to sea over the course of the next couple of hours. And again, looking at mostly sunny conditions this afternoon. No rain on the radar and not expecting any precipitation as we go through the remainder of the day. So currently out there we have just a few clouds at the 2,500 foot level. Most of your cloudiness is at the mid and upper levels of the atmosphere. A few clouds at the 10,000 foot level, broken deck at 25,000 feet with unrestricted visibilities. At north-northwest wind out of the northwest at about 11 knots, gusting to 17 knots as of the 8 a.m. hour. Temperature at 32 degrees and humidity at 59%. Taking a look into a little bit more detail here over the course of the next 24 hours, we'll see that decrease in cloudiness and temperatures really struggling to warm up today. Currently 32 degrees. It looks like we'll only warm up to about 38 degrees this afternoon under mostly sunny skies and some blustery conditions this morning. Those winds will relax a little bit this afternoon though, out of the northwest at 8 to 13 knots, then becoming northwesterly at 6 to 12 knots during the late afternoon and evening hours tonight, and eventually dying down out of the northeast and out of a northerly direction at around 2 to 5 knots after midnight tonight. So looks like we'll set the stage for a very chilly evening tonight, about 10 degrees colder than what we saw last night. With those winds dying down and mostly clear conditions, we'll see a pretty good radiational cooling event tonight. Those temperatures down to about 22 degrees by early tomorrow morning, and then we'll see a slow warm up as we go through the morning hours of Friday under partly cloudy skies. Cloud conditions will clear as we go through the afternoon, expecting BFR conditions through the next 24 hours, and we're going to likely see just a upper level cloud deck as we go into the late afternoon and into the evening hours tonight at around 25,000 feet. Tides are currently running normal, and our forecast for Friday looking at partly cloudy and cool conditions. We'll start out very chilly with a low temperature of 22 degrees, but then warm up pretty nicely into the afternoon up to around 44. And we'll see even warmer conditions coming for the weekend, but unfortunately it does look like those warmer conditions will be accompanied by some rain showers. Looking for an overnight low temperature of 41 on Friday night, and then the clouds starting to thicken up as we go through the Friday night, Saturday time period. Saturday expecting mostly cloudy to overcast skies. Chance of a few showers by late morning. It does look like most of that rain will hold off into the late morning, but definitely see a better chance during the afternoon with those showers becoming likely with a daytime high of 53 degrees. That'll wrap it up for your short-term weather forecast this morning. We'll be back for an extended look at your forecast at 10 a.m. Have a nice morning.